Meet Claude Multi, the desktop app that runs Claude Code across all of your accounts so a usage limit never stops you again. It's a full native chat for Claude Code. Type a request, hit send, and watch Claude work. Streaming replies, tool calls, and file edits right inside a clean interface. Choose your model, Opus, Sonnet, or Haiku. Dial your thinking effort from low all the way up to ultrathink, and stay in control with allow or deny prompts for every action Claude takes. But here's the magic. The moment one account hits its limit, Claude Multi carries your whole conversation to the next account and picks up exactly where you left off, automatically if you want. Manage up to 20 accounts in one window, each with its own fully isolated login. Claude Multi tracks every cooldown, so you always know which account is ready, and every project remembers its own conversation. And it's completely free and open source. Your logins never leave your device, no API keys, no tracking, nothing stored in the cloud. Stop losing hours to usage limits. Download Claude Multi free on GitHub today, and keep building.